MTV. I didn't see you there. Well, this is my home as of right now. I know it's getting late, so I figured I'd film it right now before I forget tomorrow morning. And before I open this door, I just want to let you know that this is our real life. I did not clean this shit up. So this is what a girl's van looks like after 8 days, okay? So here we have my luggage and Kayla's luggage over there with all of her clothes. So this is the closet section of the van.
We kind of sleep somewhere in somewhere in
So what we do is at night when we sleep here, we put all our clothes in our luggage, zip it up and put it in the front and passenger seat. That's how we've been doing it. Get a little peek behind, you can see our kitchen. And it's really nice. All the curtains we're able to like put over the window so no one can creep on us at night. But yeah, this is our home. I'll film a little video after we clean it out and let you guys know what it looks like when the seats and table are up, just so you can have the insight on that. But yeah, this is my home. This was my home for the last week, and Kayla's home. Say hey.
Hey.
Thank you for joining me on this endeavor, and have a blessed night. Bye. All right, Kayla, explain what's going on back here.
Just cooking some eggs.
Explain like what we have. So what comes with the van?
Oh, so this Coleman stove, and then just some storage space, plates, bowls, cups. We have our fridge.
Came with a little gas thing, whatever this is called. Coleman grill is really nice. We've been making eggs like breakfast almost every day. But yeah, this is definitely a cute, like, convenient little setup back here. I would recommend. And this is what it looks like with the seat up and none of our stuff in it. Everyone, today is Friday and we are just leaving our campsites. I didn't really film that much last night because we just got to our campsite a little bit earlier than usual. We actually found a campsite, which is amazing. Also last night we went to the cutest little restaurant called Brewster's in the town of Petaluma. So we're like just north of San Francisco. And that's where we're going to drive through today. We have quite a few stops to make, some good picture taking to take. But yeah, we're gonna get after it today, get on the road. Today's a good day, it's sunny. Hopefully it's not too cloudy in San Francisco, but it probably will be. But yeah, okay, see you guys later, bye. We're out here. Where are we, Kayla? I don't even know either. Just some state park north of San Francisco. It's foggy and gloomy and cold, but it's pretty. I don't know. The Golden Gate Bridge is my favorite bridge ever. Here we go. Okay, so Kayla and I are at this maze. I'm gonna try to get to the middle. So I made it to the end of the labyrinth, the maze, and I found this Okeechobee sticker from the music festival I went to in March. So I'm gonna leave it right here. Maybe another festival goer will find it and appreciate it. Okay, so we're on the pier right now, right? And we're just realizing we are getting screwed over. We are in California and we are not going to watch a sunset over the ocean because the city we're in is facing south, not west. That's west. See the sun right there? It's there. And it should be there, but it's not. So maybe tomorrow. Just doing my job, picking up the litter. Big Sur, 10 out of 10 recommend stopping. It's beautiful. There's hardly any parking, so just a tip, be caution about where you park. But yeah, I just can't get over this view. I feel like I could just sit here like all day and watch it and like just, gosh, so beautiful. So Kayla and I, we stopped at the waterfall right after Big Sur, but also we needed a break from traveling, so we brought a claw along the way. Cheers. So it's pretty windy right now, but Kayla and I found a beach just before sunset. So we got a bottle of wine and we're about to drink it while watching the sunset. So Kayla and I realized that exactly 10 years ago we were in California for our sweet 16th birthday, and In one of the pictures we took 10 years ago, we like wrote down like California Sweet 16 2010 in the sand. So I wrote down, you can't really see it, Pacific Coast Highway 2020, and we're gonna get some pictures with that. Oh, it's just crazy. It's been 10 years since we've been to California together. That's wild. Hey guys, so it's morning and we slept in a hotel room last night, which was awesome. How did it feel sleeping in a bed?
Felt great.
Yeah, slept like babies. But it's also a sad day because we are returning the camper van. We have to go clean it out first, but it's kind of sad. Like, I'm a little emotional, but it was a good run with, we never named the camper van.
We definitely should have.
We should have. Maybe we'll think of one on the way to return it. Okay, Kayla just named the van
Gloria.
Gloria, like from the hippo from Madagascar. And there's Gloria. Bye-bye. So we're about to go to the beach, and this is Kayla's outfit. She looks like a true California girl. Meanwhile, look at me. I look like I'm about to go to like Martha's Vineyard or something.
Would you stay till the morning light? Or would you follow me? Or would you let it be? If I leave tonight, we could do this right. We'll find the remedy. Or would you stay with me now till the morning light?
So it's official. Our faces are burnt. We have our luggage. Bringing this fan on the plane. We'll see how that goes. But yeah, our trip is over. This is sad. You were good to us, West Coast. Bye.